It started as a random idea, and now it's already time for the 5th year of the LARP Zomer Festival. A weekend-long event with panels, workshops, introductory events, and of course, short LARPs. Time to pack the many bags of costume stuff. And off we go! You're the main organizer of the Zomer Festival. So how did you get into LARP?
So I was always a big fan of fantasy in general. I did a lot of text-based role-playing online, forums and stuff like that. So when I learned that you could do that in real life, that was an instant appeal to me.
Why do you keep LARPing? What is it that you love about it?
These people are amazing. I can meet so many new people and they're all unique and different, but we all love this hobby and that's amazing.
So how did you get started in LARP?
In my early 20s, I used to be on committee for a science fiction convention in New York. There were a bunch of groups who would run parlor-style versions of their campaign LARPs at the convention. And then there was an event called LAIR that was a fantasy LARP, and for that one I actually prepared a costume for the weekend and said, hey Dad, I played this LARP at a convention and I kind of want to go into the woods of New Jersey and play with them, but I need a ride. And he says, I'll take you on one condition. What's that, Dad? Promise me they're not a cult. They're not a cult. Okay. And that's how I got started.
Why do you keep LARPing? What is it that you love about it?
I really love improv theater and stuff like that, and that's also what I love about LARPing. It's collaborative storytelling, collaborative fun with adults, so you can go a little bit deeper, get a little bit grittier. On stage, you have 2 hours to tell a story, and LARP, you have a whole weekend to really get into the details and feel the emotional repercussions, and that's just wonderful.
Ja, dus dit is een workshop. We gaan niet daadwerkelijk echt black boxes draaien.